You go YouTube live.
Oh no, for real?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh shit, it's up. It worked.
Nice.
It's
Hey
recording.
YouTube. What's up, YouTube?
YouTube, what's
Doing
up?
this shit via YouTube.
Let's see if it works. Let's check it on ours. Here. Oh yeah, there it goes. Look at that.
Oh, nice.
What's up, everybody? For those of you that are on here, I'm just gonna do a quick shout out to the IG so they can hop on here. Hey everybody, we are live on YouTube. Please check us out on YouTube. Let's see, that's where we're at. We're YouTube live. So.
YouTube live.
Alright. Okay.
Yeah, no, I did. Yeah, I've seen it.
What? Oh, it's just... Okay. Alrighty. Well, we're gonna wait a moment. Let's see if we catch people on here. Fuck, I really need a second screen so I can watch this shit.
That's what I was thinking. I should have put some more bits on there.
Cheeky bids.
Get your cheeky bids in. Ooh, primo might owe me some fucking some Mongolian. That might have been his test right there.
You
We'll
lost
see. We'll see.
you
We got
think-
another dinner on the table.
You lost some you lost some Brazilian, but you might get some.
Yeah. I'm trying to get back. I'm trying to get it
Oh,
back.
yeah.
You know, I figured 2 Mongolians equal 1 Brazilian. I can get them on 2 Mongols.
Sounds about right.
Yeah.
Let's look at some stuff
I
real
knew we were
quick.
gonna get a roll. That might have been that retest of that 17.
Holy
We start to see like some real big push to the upside. That confirms that 17 that week ago that I was like, hey, check it out when you do this. That was the low. That low was in. That's that 17.66 low.
Do we? Let me see if I can see the last few days. Let's do 6 months. Wow. We were at 11 yesterday on the CBBI.
What are we doing?
12. So we're not at the bottom yet, but we're fucking
One
damn
point
near
away.
close. Very excited about that. That's crazy. Let's see what else. Oh, here in green. I don't even care about the beer. Like it's the freaking bottom. Green. At 11. It's been 11 last 3 days. Oh, last week. Yeah, it's been at the bottom. Is there anything else?
How's El Salvador doing? Are they still alive?
Oh, I know, man. They just gonna hang fucking Bukele.
Look,
Like, motherfucker.
this is back last summer. This was the low that we made. We came up, we rolled to retest it. We never quite did, and then we pushed on. Right. That's kind of like what we're seeing here on the 4-hour.
Oh, you ready to take over? This thing's ready to go.
Not quite.
Not exactly yet. All right. Let me just see.
Right.
Let me see if I could. If there's anything else I can think of that I need to.
So it's kind of like we made our low. We came up for the retest. We rolled. We didn't quite meet it, which makes it a higher low. And now we should have continuation. where you got that bounce.
Trying to think. I have one in my car. Oh, there you go.
That's why you got that bounce. And that's why the bounce is there.
For those of you that have never seen this, we are here live at Molly Nolly, right here on Whittier Boulevard. I always forget the address, so I apologize. But it's right by Whittier and Duncan. And they got all the vegetarian and vegan stuff. This is the Warrior Within smoothie.
It doesn't look
It's
like
delicious on a hot day.
It doesn't look.
Yeah, this is our sponsor right here. They support us and let us do the crypto session here at their spot. And to be honest, guys, it's not intended for live video. We do it because for some people who can't get over here, but the point of this is for us to be here hanging out and shooting the shit, talking crypto, talking even finances, not necessarily crypto. It could be other investments, maybe how to deal with your money, and smoking. It's a sesh, so bring. It's green friendly. Give me the jar.
Yo, come fucking blaze
Look
it,
at that.
bro.
Look at that, yo. Look at this. This is for people who come
Get
here
over
in
here.
person. And there's other
You don't gotta fucking
stuffs.
care about crypto.
Yeah, we don't have to care about crypto. That's just the bonus. That's just the cream on top. So yeah, I already started for live.
Okay. Or do you want to do?
Oh, you want me to go
Do
first?
this-
Yeah, honestly, I didn't
the
really.
fundamentals?
Yeah, sure, that's fine. Okay. So, let's go over the fundamentals and really quick. Currently, we are holy shit. So the last time we did this, which is what, 2 weeks ago,
Yeah.
we were like at 19,000 coins. We're now at 20. So even though we're in the midst of what I would presume as the bear market, not everybody would agree with me here, but I think we're probably bear. We're still getting more coins, which is fucking retarded.
Wait a minute.
There's more coins.
There's how many?
20,000 now. Before there was 19 now, or 18, 19. It actually went up almost 1,000 to 2,000.
So people are throwing their coins on the table.
They're adding more coins.
There's more shit coins on the table.
More shit coins.
There's more shit coins on the table. We need to have a guitar
like a fucking Bill and Ted.
Yeah.
So currently we're at 902 billion in total market cap, which is. Whew, we were at, what was it before?
A trillion?
1 point something trillion. I think at the height of the 65 or 67.
Oh, it was like 2 trillion?
Yeah, it was almost 2 trill, or yeah, it was like around 1.8, 1.2, yeah. And then we're down to 902 billion. A lot of people have pulled their money out with good reason. Obviously, they're kind of got a lot of fear in the market, so completely understandable. Do I agree with them? No, but
scary money makes no money.
yeah, shoot. Yep. Let's see. We're currently at a.
You hear that, Chewy? Scary money makes no money.
SMD double M, man. So 71 billion is currently in the last 24 hours. That's the volume of trading right now. So a lot of it is liquidations. A lot of it's actually buying in more. The big thing that I'm taking away from this is people are pulling all their shit off of exchanges, and we'll get to that in a second.
Why is that, Mr. Red?
We'll get to there. We'll get to there.
Oh,
so currently BTC dominance is at 43%, which is not too bad. ETH is at 14, so that's pretty low in my opinion. Ooh, 26 Gwei, that's actually pretty cheap for the ETH fees. So if you want to buy some ETH, now might be the time to do it. It can go a little bit cheaper, but 26 isn't half. It's not that bad. Bitcoin's price is at 20,399. We took a massive. Oh, you can't hear me? Oh shit. Yeah, that's because it's fucking shitty mic. I didn't bring my good mic. Hold on, let me see if let me see if I can change something really quick.
You gotta talk louder.
Let's see where the fuck
Yeah,
is?
we're getting.
Oh shit! Do I not have a mic? What the fuck? It was on earlier.
No mic.
Hold on, let me see if. Oh yeah, there we go. I do have a mic. It's just not that loud. Okay, whatever. So yeah, we just got a massive peak, a spike right now. What is that? Yeah, we were all the way down to 18 earlier, 18 yesterday. Now we're back up at 20,500. So that's kind of cool. I wanted to show the CBBI. This is kind of interesting because, like I said, every time we get into the lower than 10 range, we are at the bottom of the bear market, according to previous bull and bear runs. If you look like right here, historical data. So right here, look at CBBI. It was at 5 here, and that was the bottom of the bear for 2015-ish zone. And then on the opposite end, when it goes all the way to the top, see CBBI hit 100, and that was the top of the market in 2017. That was the top of the bull run. So we're kind of like doing the same thing right now. See, back in 2018, we hit 4. The difference though right now compared to the previous pass is that we didn't get up anywhere past 100, so that's, or even 90. So that's kind of interesting. We got up to 80, not all the way top. So that's why people are speculating that we were never at the top.
Top's not in.
Yeah, that's the thing. But man, we're all the way at like yesterday was 11 and today's 12. So
bottom might be in.
The bottom. Yeah.
Let us all pray.
Yeah, I kind of hope that it is because
The guy.
Yeah, let's hope that the Fomoteo grants us the bottom, because that means it's upside from here on out.
You know, send us your Bitcoin offerings.
Yeah, hell
your
yeah.
offerings and your
Hell
tithes.
yeah, hell yeah. So the last few days, it's been extreme fear. We're at 11. So those are all indicators of bottom. So we're pretty much there, in my opinion.
Bottoms up.
And then just the last thing, which I was going to talk about, I didn't even bring up any charts because there's not really much stuff going on. The biggest thing is, right now, because we're at the bear, people are pulling their money out of things. There's a lot of institutional, sites like trading platforms, exchanges, things like Coinbase, which are on-ramping platforms. They are completely. They don't have enough liquidity to pay people out from leaving their platform.
Let's not create more fun.
Well,
some of them.
Let me get it.
Some of them don't have the liquidity.
Some of them don't have it. We can't really speculate who in fact does, who in fact doesn't, because when it gets to the lowest of the low, some people lock your stuff up and then you can't get your coins out.
Yeah.
So if you have money locked in an exchange and you're not actively trading it, I would recommend, not financial advice, but I recommend that you maybe put it in a wallet, because there's rumors floating around that there is no liquidity in these exchanges and other places. So
well, here, this kind of goes back to what we've been stressing, for the last couple sessions, right? Not your keys, not your fucking crypto. You know what I mean? So, yeah, that's, if you're not...
It's exactly the truth right now.
If you're not getting your stuff off the exchange, then, like, what are you doing?
Right.
You know what I mean? What are you doing with it? Exactly.
Right.
You should be playing the crypto game, and the crypto game is to own your own... To own your own currency, right? To own your own... The keys to your...
To custody your own.
Yeah, to custody your own.
Hold your own and control your own. So if it's on an exchange, if it's on Coinbase, and not centralized exchanges or on-ramping sites like Coinbase or Binance, whatever, it'd probably be a good idea to start transitioning it over to wallets. Now Coinbase does have a wallet, which they will give you your keys. So if you trust Coinbase, they created their own wallet. You can put your money in their wallet. And I think we went over last time what were the good wallets that you can use. One of them's Atomic, you got Exodus, you got Trust Wallet, obviously MetaMask. There's a bunch of different wallets that you can choose from. Do your research, YouTube good wallets, and there's a bunch of videos of good places to put your crypto. And then if you really, really want to be safe, You can get ledgers and things like that, which are the physical hardware wallets that completely remove it from the internet, so it can't be hacked or anything like that. To me, that's a little bit extreme. I don't really want to do that.
I like to keep all my crypto in high risk liquidity pools.
That's your storage. So X likes to keep his money in extremely high volatile liquidity pools with questionable amounts of liquidity behind the platform, and hoping that his shit will be safe post bear market. He's hoping that Fomoteo shines brighter on him. And that's pretty much all I got for y'all. So Fomoteo, may he bless us. And then I'm gonna pass it over to X. Right now, once he. Oh wait, he's almost done. Let me see if I could.
Anything else you want to
give something else? Oh, one thing I wanted to talk about was the housing market.
Oh my gosh.
It's
sell your house.
Sell your house. It's not looking good.
Sell your house now.
Pretty much though, if you're able to buy in now, there's a good chance, yeah, your interest rate's gonna go like up, but according to like the route that we're going, that how we're headed into a recession, if not we already are in one. At some point the Fed's gonna have to drop the interest rates again, and when that happens, hopefully by then you'll have some equity in your home if you did purchase a home, and then you could refinance with a lower interest rate, and then you'll be balling. So that's also speculating that they do drop the interest rate, which I feel like they have to, because if not, we're gonna be like depression level shit. You know what I'm saying? So that's the only thing I got about that. You want to say anything? Is there anything?
Send me money.
Send us money. Send us all money.
Yeah, we like money too.
We like money. We need it to survive.
What's wrong with you?
To live and pay for equipment and shit.
Send me money in the form of cryptocurrency.
Yeah.
Also, if anybody knows how to create fucking websites so I can do my stake sale idea.
Stake sale.
I don't know. Talk about that. Let's not talk about that.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about what?
We're talking about beef steaks.
Talking about beef steaks.
Beef steaks. So filet magnons. Filet magnon. Oh shit, that shit's funny.
All right, you done?
Yep, handles.
I think I'm ready.
You're gonna be on coin market caps?
What did we use last time?
The other trading view, but you said the numbers are different. Which
No, that's fine. That's fine. I use trading view.
Okay. Well, they're both up, so your call. There's that one.
All right. What up? Let me light this doobie real quick. Hey, will we get kicked off for this? Will we get kicked off for this?
Who cares?
I don't know.
No, I don't think so.
I don't know.
I don't think YouTube has an issue with that. It's like TikTok and shit, I guess.
Well, fuck whoever's got an issue. This is California.
California. California forever.
This is America.
It's the California is the place you ought to be. So I loaded up the truck and I moved to Beverly.
Wow, I haven't heard that in a minute.
Oh wow! Oh shit!
The East Los Hillbillies.
The East Los Hillbillies. All right, guys. So, as you can see, we've been on this downtrend. We've rolled. Right. About 2 weeks ago, last time we were here, we were talking about the 20 going over the 100. Was it the 100 or the 200? The 200. No, 100. Excuse me. 20 going over the 100. That historically indicated a low. That on when we see the cross, that following week is where we get a low, which was last week or 2 weeks ago. Excuse me. So I'm gonna change a little bit of your TA here.
Yeah, go ahead.
Just clean this up a little
I'm
bit.
not married to you.
Yeah, he said fuck TA.
So that
That's what he said, bro.
That's not what I said. He said I'm not married to my TA.
Nah, he said fuck.
I said
I'm gonna
fuck
clean
my
this up a
TA.
little bit. So we made this low. We came up, which was last week. We made a green candle. Currently, we're in this red candle. Now, one thing that we were talking about before coming on here is that we were going to retest. We anticipated a retest of this low. So we were anticipating a retest of this low right here, which is what I think we currently got today. So as you can see here, if I make this a little bit bigger, we came down, we made a low, we came back up, we made a high, we had a corrective wave down, another impulsive wave up, making a higher high, and now we're in a corrective wave down, right? So if you were to have asked me where are we likely to go in this corrective wave down, using fibs, I would measure the bottom of the last wave to the top. Ooh. And I would say we're probably likely to go to the 1618. That's where we should see a bounce. And now if we measure that, and we zoom in, I mean, we didn't hit it right on the money, but that's as close as you get to hitting it on the fucking money. This would have been my target, measuring from this low to this high, to this wave high. If we fall below that one, we would go to the 1618, right? It works correctively in the same way that it works impulsively. When we measure fibs, if we break the one, you're going to the 1618. Same way going down. So it looks like we got a nice healthy bounce from there. That might have been the retest of this low here. So in terms of TA, I would say, you know, we got the cross of the 100 and the 20 on the weekly. That historically signifies a low. So we got the cross here on this week. The following week, the low is in. That's this big candle, and so far we've been holding that. So long as we hold that low, we should start to see another impulsive wave to the upside. We should retest it, and we probably just have. We might have another retest of it, but yeah, technically I think we're still in a expanded flat correction. I think we still are missing that fifth wave of Elliott wave theory. Some of the historical indicators never indicated a top. We never had, you know, altcoin season. So certain things just never played out that historically have always played out. And yeah.
We haven't had all coin season?
No, we never had. Not this road.
Really?
Yep. We thought potentially there was going to be, but it never played out. Any questions?
So what indicates altcoin season?
When Bitcoin rolls and altcoins take off after like a parabolic push to the upside. So everything just takes off.
That's
Bitcoin
the one
Bitcoin rolls, and the rest of alts keep making percentage gains, surpassing Bitcoin's percentage gains.
Okay. Fair enough.
I think that's what they consider.
Altcoin season?
Yeah, because you're gonna make more in terms of percentage gains off of altcoins than you will Bitcoin,
So we had.
and they don't kind of respect the pool anymore.
So the last time people were calling altcoin season, was it an altcoin season?
No, it was a
So
little
we
bit
never
premium.
experienced an altcoin
No.
season.
Never happened this season.
Not last season either. Nope.
I've never experienced an altcoin season in crypto. We will.
When was the last time there was an altcoin season?
The last bull run.
What's our threshold before our official bear bull cycle gets invalidated?
Invalidation? Okay, so for me, I would say did we get close? We did come close.
Well, technically we had a higher high, right? So even if it didn't get to expected levels, we still had an all-time high, a new all-time high, right?
Yes.
In theory.
So to me, I'd call this quit. I would say, okay, this is, you done? Yeah, just that. I would say when we go and we cross the 1/5, are you seeing this on this?
No.
Okay, so
I'm
come,
just showing you.
so
Because if you want to watch this, go on YouTube, goddammit.
That's what it looks like.
So I would say this peak, if this gets invalidated here, we start to close candles, then this is completely invalidated and we are absolutely like rolling. All right, so long as you hold, you can come anywhere you want. This can be as deep of a retracement as it wants to be, so long as it doesn't cross over wave 1.
It doesn't close though.
Yeah,
Oh,
it can't close candles over wave 1.
It could wick past it, but it can't.
It can't close it.
Or it can't
I've heard it's a candle close. I've heard it can't
even wick.
push into it. Yeah.
Oh shit.
So it still has
Ooh,
it.
that's fucking
It's come close. This line is as low as we've gone.
right at the edge.
So
That's gnarly.
so long as we don't invalidate that, we should still technically see a wave 5. Now we close candles under 14, then this goes out the window. Absolutely out the window.
Okay, so that line, that's so 17. That first line is 17,500 level.
Yeah,
So-
that which was the low 2 weeks ago.
Oh, okay.
So long as we held the wave 1 high, then we technically should see.
Oh, but the wave one high was
It's
lower.
14.
Than that. Oh, 14. That's what you're talking about, 14.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
long as we don't.
Some people are calling for 14.
Yeah, so if that doesn't happen, then technically we're still good for a wave 5. It doesn't invalidate Elliott wave 5. If we do invalidate this and we roll, that's where like all chips are off the table. As far as I'm concerned,
Yeah.
all chips are off the table, and fucking we're absolutely wrong.
Yeah. That'd be crazy if we don't invalidate and we're still going to wave 5. So that means we still gotta actually hit a bear. So that means you're getting super discount right before the last push up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
which is this,
That's-
right?
and that's why
which
we
was
buy.
Yeah.
which was wave 2. Look at what wave 2 was.
Oh yeah.
You would have said like, oh, we're back, guys, and then we get this, right? And you're like, what the fuck? This is gonna go. It's gonna go further. It's
Yeah.
gonna go further down.
Yeah, yeah.
And you never got that. What happened?
Fucking
You held the low.
skyrocketed.
You held the low, and you started pushing up. You know what I'm saying? What's gonna happen here? It's gonna shake everybody out. You held the low. You didn't invalidate the Elliott wave theory. You held the low, and what you should see is another push. Like every time you get significant push to the upside, look at it. You had a low here, right? You held the low here. You got a new all-time high, right? You always get this like last, and it just has to close in higher than the previous low, right? Anytime you see that, you see a push to the upside. Look, you had a low here. You came to retest it. You had this low right here. You came to retest it. You held it, and you had a push. You had another correction, another low. You came to retest it the next day. You held it, another push. You corrected. You held the low. You came to retest it. You push. You have a low. Retest it. Hold it. Push to the upside. So long as you don't invalidate this structure, then we should technically see it play out. So that would, for me, if you ask me like, yo X, where would you say like, okay, we are absolutely rolling into lower numbers and the market is bearish from here on out, would be invalidate the Elliott wave theory and all chips are off the table. Yeah. And all chips are off the table, as far as I'm concerned. Then I'll say, okay, we're going to see serious pushes to the downside, and we could try to find, but on the upside, on the upside of things, it's like we're not that far from the halving cycle.
Right. We got what, 2 years?
If that. And things don't get bullish at the halving cycle. Things get bullish right before the halving cycle.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So it's really like, in terms of time, like if this was a bear market, doesn't really have much time to play out. You know what I'm saying?
Wouldn't there?
It's like the bull markets are extending, they're getting longer, they're lasting longer for longer periods, and the bear markets are getting shorter.
What if? Okay, so
Shoot that
when
trend.
the halving cycle happens, it's automatic. It's bull. That's a bull market. When the halving cycle happens, right? You're gonna smack upper, right? So
Historically, that's how it's played out.
So logically, if that's how it happens, wouldn't the bear market has to come after the bull market? So what if this is all just? What if the halving cycle is wave 5 of the Elliott wave theory? You know what I mean? All of this just consolidates until the halving cycle, and then boom, you get your wave 5, and then the bear market's going to historically come after the bull market after that huge halving cycle, and then you experience the prolonged bear market, and then you get an Elliott wave, and then you get the next halving cycle, and then you get the next bear market.
Well, that would kind of lead into like, I've heard theories of like,
The super cycle?
yeah, super cycles. That would be that.
Or lengthening
Like
cycle?
because like now the halving and bears and bull cycles are overlapping each other. You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna have just one, what's gonna seem like a fucking continuous push, like Tesla's. You know what I'm saying? Price chart. It just looks like a fucking, this shit ain't never gonna go down ever. You know what I mean? Kind of push. So, but that's what it's gonna look like. So like just this crazy, adoption. And we were kind of on the cusp of seeing things that would indicate something to that, that degree, with like countries adopting Bitcoin and making it legal tender.
Rest in
and shit like
peace.
that. So,
Lanes Goyo said Tesla is actually a very volatile stock.
oh, let's look at it. Okay, hold on real quick.
I think on Trading you could find it. They have all this. They have all the charts.
Oh, what did I do?
What did you do?
Yeah, what did I do? What's the ticker? TSL. Oh, what?
See it, right? Yeah. TXL.
This is what I mean.
Volatile, but constantly went upwards.
Yeah.
Volatile to the upside.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, you can see some down.
Yeah, but like, look at this. Yeah. And then in the future, it just goes in.
Would you say in comparison to all the other stocks in the stock market, is it more volatile than most stocks?
I don't know.
I think
don't
it
know.
is, right?
I don't know. I don't pay attention to stocks.
So, y'all want some insider
So-
trading stuff? What I can say,
Well, what can you say?
Can't
say much, but what I can say.
What I can say is, if you had a Tesla, and if there's a problem to get to Vegas because of the distance, what do?
What do you mean? Like it's all
If
electric?
you have a fucking EV Tesla, and you want to go to Vegas,
What does EV mean?
electric vehicle,
Oh,
you need to get to Vegas,
okay.
but you don't have a full, your battery will not make it to there. What do you think you should do then?
What should you do? You're in your car. What the fuck? Why is it
Or
stopping?
as a company, what should Tesla do to
Oh.
compensate that?
Put some stations in the desert?
Bingo. It's happening.
No, what?
It's like Barstow, one of those fucking midtown fucking desert spots.
High desert.
We were somewhere on Barstow, edge of the desert, when the drugs begin to take hold. Yeah, so when you look at this chart, you see like continuous upside, and I think, or the theory is that we're gonna have these prolonged bull cycles that end up being one massive cycle.
Super cycle.
Yeah, a super duper duper cycle.
It's like
That it just goes up and it never corrects. It's just one god candle after another, after another.
It's a super saiyan
Every
cycle.
day is bigger than the last day, till it's worth infinity money.
It's gonna be Super Saiyan 3 cycle.
I don't know. What do you think? Glanesh Koyo, if that is your name.
Talanis.
Talanis Koyo.
What did Talanis Koyoto say? Huh?
It shows 2, and it shows. What you think about that? What do you think about that?
Oh, you gonna jump on here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Oh,
Oh, what the fuck?
what?
Oh my god, guest appearance from fucking yours truly.
You're welcome, everybody.
This is unexpected, but
You're
very
welcome.
welcome.
You're welcome to everybody who's watching.
All 5 of you.
To all 5 of you. While I do this, I need all 5 of you, whoever you are, I need you to like type comments. I need you to say shit. I need you to fill the space. I need you to click the like button. All 5 of you need to do something as I figure this shit out.
All right. Well, we got.
I think it's not a we thing if we stay put.
Explain that to me. What do you mean by that? What do you mean?
Fuck you mean?
For
You
those
talking to
who
me? You talking to me?
do have money, it's gonna be sweet.
Who's talking to me?
It's not.
Nobody.
It's to us. It's directly at us.
Who?
Okay, but do you not have?
Keep talking. Keep arguing with this guy while I do this.
Well, we're not. I'm just asking questions.
No, I want them to say stuff.
Alright,
I also want you to tell us about your day.
So, let me get this straight. You think that we're not going to benefit from a super cycle if we hold crypto ourselves right now?
Yo, are these both blue?
They might be. You might have to repaint it. Change the color.
You sons of beeswax. Who does that?
I mean, look.
Exposed.
Hey, why don't you go on? Why don't you come on with us?
Yeah, come on with us. What I gotta say to that?
So that like we can actually have a conversation.
What I gotta say to that is, you're right. There is people that absolutely cannot afford to invest anything. They are living
Fucking
paycheck
death
to
cross, bro.
paycheck. Yeah, we can. I don't know if you left that like that. You should
At first glance, this looks like we're gonna have a sick ass death cross cycle.
Death cross.
I go lower.
That's gonna be
Death Cross.
Batman Death Cross.
It shows the
The 20 going under the 55.
I'm gonna get a shirt.
Yeah, cross.
And the
I don't steal our ideas, fuckers.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I see you guys out there.
copywritten.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Oh, I'm gonna do it again. Home, dude.
Can't wait.
I'm gonna make this. What link to support? Okay, we are on YouTube right now. So if you go on our YouTube channel, which is The Men's Circle, I think LA. If not, it's The Men's Circle. And you just go to our YouTube channel. We are live, so you can watch.
We are live.
Do we know what's going on YouTube?
Negative.
Alright.
Oh, here, pass it to.
Cracking on YouTube.
I was cracking on YouTube.
Well, it's cracking.
Supposedly
People-
there's 3 of you watching.
There's
Cool.
3 on YouTube. Wow.
There's 3 on YouTube. I
God.
one of them might be me.
fucking famous.
If you're on YouTube,
I'm also on.
I need you to like say shit on YouTube. If you're on YouTube right now,
I am on
type
YouTube.
things on YouTube.
Alright, alright,
yeah,
type
say
things.
things.
Oh wait, but I'm live on here. I can't type.
Womp womp. All right, everybody, look.
No, there. See, it
Look.
pauses the video and do that.
You're welcome for me being here. I want you to realize that there's really, like, not financial advice, but there's really only one indicator you need to know,
Moon cycle.
and that's moon phases.
Oh yeah, moon.
Alright?
Oh my god, we're really doing this.
Yeah, we're doing
There's
this.
only one thing you need to
This is
know.
moon phases, y'all.
So these are the moon phases. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna type in on Google. If you're following, go to Google, type in Bitcoin birthday.
What?
Bang. Bitcoin's birthday is January 9th. 20. Whoa. Alright. Bitcoin's birthday is January 9th. Many consider January 9th to be Bitcoin's official birthday because this is the point at which others could participate and mine blocks in the early days. Okay. But that's January 9th. What year? What year was fucking Bitcoin born?
He disregarded our questions and he just put the slap face.
Yeah, he does. He just like, fuck it.
Want to come on here and explain
We're gonna
yourself.
go live with you. 2008. Okay, so January 3rd. January 3rd, 2008. Okay, boom. Everybody remember that. January 3rd,
Let's all say it
2000.
together.
January 3rd, 2008.
Yeah, I'm gonna type
January
in
3rd. 2008
2000.
horoscope.
BTC birthday. You're gonna do horoscope.
So January 3rd, 2008 horoscopes. Let's see. Bitcoin is a sun sign. It's a Capricorn. Bitcoin is a Capricorn.
Hey, Bitcoin is a Capricorn.
Okay, Bitcoin is a Capricorn.
No wonder why
What
it's a
does
piece of
that mean?
shit.
What does
Huh?
that mean?
No wonder why it's always trying to scam people.
Is
Alright.
that the assholes of the?
I have no idea what the
What
fuck.
is it? Isn't that is that like a satyr? Like isn't that
It
their
sounds
logo?
like an asshole kind of fucking sign. You know what I mean? Capricorn.
Alright,
Sounds like Capricorn.
Where's
No
Bitcoin's
cap,
birthday?
You know what I'm saying?
January 3rd, 2008.
Alright, January 3rd. What decade were you born? 2000. What year were you born? What the
Oh.
fuck? It doesn't give me
The
2008.
Kevin guy.
It doesn't give me 2008. You son of a bitch.
Yo.
Alright, everybody.
Bitcoin was born on January 3rd, 2008.
What?
Bitcoin was born on January 3rd, 2008.
You should get that tag.
Here we go.
That date, you know what I'm saying?
You get Roman numeral?
That shit on your forehead, though. That should be sick.
Capricorn horoscope.
We're doing Bitcoin's horoscope.
Alright,
For
but we're
those of you
gonna
that joined in.
Bitcoin horoscope.
We're gonna link
You
it-
can get your own horoscope too. You hit
We're gonna link it to the moon phase.
Oh, you combine that with moon phases?
Yeah.
Dude, that's some next level shit.
Yeah.
You gotta key into your sensual, beautiful nature, Bitcoin. Capricorn. Take time each day to attend to your soul and make sure it's getting the nourishment it needs to
to radiate into the world. Unexpected people could pop up out of nowhere, Bitcoin, and buy you or sell you.
Damn.
So don't be surprised if a former lover texts or calls.
Ethereum.
Capricorn. Ethereum, what are you doing tonight,
Let's
Ethereum?
hope it's not Satoshi Nakamoto.
Things from the past may be coming back to present in order to teach you a valuable life lesson.
Damn.
So Bitcoin, so that's Bitcoin's horoscope. Now we're gonna go back to the moon phases.
Here, moon phase.
I forgot everything I just said about Bitcoin. Which one is a buy moon and which one is a sell moon?
Well, the bottom ones are the buy.
These are the buys?
Yes.
Okay, so right now this says to buy 2 days ago, right?
Oh, so it's
Damn,
saying buy
bottom's
some
in.
Bitcoin according to moon
So
phase.
the moon phase, it says buy some Bitcoin. Some former lovers are coming into your life.
Damn.
Right?
What's
You know
the
what
time
that
frame of this,
means?
though?
That means people are gonna buy. They're
Get
coming
yours,
back in.
primo.
They're coming back in to buy.
You get yours, Bitcoin.
They're buying back in.
It goes by, was it 15-day cycles, right? Usually that's when the other one prints, the other moon. It's like
Honestly,
every 15
I
days.
don't know.
Honestly, when I got on
Let's
here,
not complicate
Okay,
this.
when I
got on-
we're already doing moon cycles.
when I got on here,
make it worse here.
I said the only one you need to know is moon cycles, and I don't have no idea how moon cycles work.
But if you did
But
know,
if I did,
then fucking you'd be rich.
this is what I'd be doing, right? So
If
it's
you just
Well,
trade,
although-
if you just trade the moon cycles,
You
then
actually,
you're straight.
you actually would be pretty straight.
low key, you'd be hella straight.
Historically, what would have happened if you would have followed the majority?
If you started buying moon cycles over here, you'd be up a little bit right here.
Well, in cell cycles, so the top moons are cell moons.
These are sell moons. Damn, if you sold here, woo, you made some money. You sold here, woo, you made some money. You know what I mean? If you sold here, I don't know how to measure.
Does it use the same tools? Oh, there you go.
Eyeball.
If you, I don't know how to measure moon cycles, to be honest. It's like a big circle. There's really nowhere to like,
There's no.
there's nowhere to like kick
Okay, this
your
is-
percentage. So I don't know. This is more or less 84% if you had sold there. But also, if my aunt had balls, she'd be my uncle. So. Oh fuck! I'm getting super canceled again.
Guess what?
Oh, you leave today,
Yeah,
guys.
yeah. We don't give a fuck. Man, zero flex kitten.
Don't assume your fucking aunt's gender.
Hey, tell me how to live my
Dare
life.
you.
There you
so
fucking
dirty.
woman.
Tell me how to live my life. All right. Yeah. Anyways, we're at a buy moon, so just buy some. Not financial advice. If you totally bought some, historically, I don't know, you'd be up.
You'll eventually be up.
You'll eventually be
Look
up.
at it that way. If you already bought some, you'll
check
eventually up.
Check the RSI and MACD.
Let me tell you.
Check
Who
it
said
on the
that?
weekly.
Who said that?
Who else? The only other person.
Talan is Coyote.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's the only one that knows.
Check the RSI on the weekly. When the RSI is in the floor, buy
More? I'm telling you how to live my life.
I'm just saying. That's the saying.
He said the RSI and the MACD, so I gotta get rid of.
Yeah, it's X that.
Alright.
RSI.
The relative strength index. Booyah.
Yeah, weekly.
And I don't
And
know.
MACD.
I'll figure it out right now.
Yeah.
And we want the Mac Diesel. We want the
Of
Farrakhan.
course, you would want the MACD. You know
We want
what
the
I'm saying?
Farrakhan.
Of course you want the MACD. The max.
No shame in that game.
We want the Farrakhan, the Farrakhizzle. Alright,
Alright,
so
what's the RSI at?
RSI is fucking in the basement.
Oh, what number is that? What is the actual? What's the actual?
RSI is. Yeah, how do I zoom in on you?
Oh, I think you go to the edge just like you would the chart, and then you scroll.
Go to the edge and scroll?
Oh yeah, like no, right here, like this part,
Oh.
and then you you make it big like the other one. Just hover around it right there.
So
26.
2657.
It's
Boy.
like a fucking basement.
Yeah.
It's staying there. Okay, what about the MACD? What's that look like?
Honestly,
I don't really use MACD.
I don't use a MACD either.
I follow a guy, Lark.
I was about to go eat at this hamburger spot.
Lark.
Without us?
And it's in there,
How you
like,
doing?
vegan, like
Lark, he uses a MACD, but I feel like every time he like calls it out, it never like
It never hits, huh?
it breaks like 50% of the time. So it's like to me that's 99. But
Why don't you tell us what the fuck this means, Tilanis Coyote?
Yeah, go live with us.
what's the MACD?
I
Yeah,
have no
everybody
idea.
that means not.
No idea what this means.
We
don't know what's
use that
happening.
indicator.
None of us use it.
But the RSI looks like it's gonna go down or it's gonna go
Yo,
up.
can you comment on YouTube? On YouTube?
Yeah, you can.
How? Oh, live chat.
Plain.
There you go.
Tilanis Coyote.
Up, he got. Every time I invite this fool, he fucking dips.
Damn.
He's like, nah.
You gotta be. You guys can't be scared, though.
Scared.
Scary ass fool.
SMB,
Make no money.
Scared money
Hope-
don't make money.
Hope you bought some of that 17.
He's calling for 10,000 Bitcoin.
If we jumped out of the cipher.
I don't know about him.
It's calling for 10,000 Bitcoin.
crazy.
No, well, he said. I don't want to say he called for, but he said
That's
he
impressive.
said 10,000.
And has he
with
got the
put-
cash right now for that?
Yeah, I mean, that's
As soon
about
as
a
it hits
fucking full coin,
Man, just get it.
and then just write it up to fucking 100.
Yo, can someone else ask a question?
No, everybody left on our live on here.
Everybody left on the live on here. It's just us.
All right, so
Let's go around the fucking circle, but what do we think? What do we think?
all right, well, I put a buy. I think last time I talked about a buy and order is unable to join. Why is he unable to join? That's weird. I put a buy and order at 20,000,
That hit?
and it hit. So
Nice, congratulations
I
on
have,
that.
I have
on
a
that cheeky bid.
I have a $200
Buy
worth of
one.
Bitcoin at 20,000. So
Nice.
God
Congratulations. Hopefully that makes some
so
nice little shekels off of that.
I hope so.
right?
I don't know what that turns into if it goes up to 60. What is that? Can we do some?
Yeah,
Let's do some measurements on it.
Look how much downside.
If my $200,
If we were to go down
because
here.
I purchased it at 20, goes back up to at least it's
the all-time
previous
high?
all-time high. What is
Let's play
that?
all-time highs.
Let's do some math. Right?
Let's play all-time highs. Let's get fun with some fucking altcoins. You guys want to see some shit? Well, I'll show you some shit.
We'll show you.
We'll get knee deep.
And just go hypothetically.
We're gonna be in the outhouse of shit coins.
The business office. Oh, we're doing MBTF?
Yeah, I got some bullet shoes on that, bro.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Or are we doing very, very simple?
Oh, I got a head rush right now. Wow.
That's a different high.
It was right there. Oh, it's fucking hilarious.
Hey, who got me on a vegan sandwich though? Hey, who in the comments?
I got you on a fucking
Everything's
jack in a
so
box.
Take everything out of it.
236%.
Damn, 236. Wow. So, all right. So that means my $200 is gonna multiply twice.
Holy
So
shit.
$200 will turn into $600.
Too bad.
If it goes back to all-time high, and that's Bitcoin. That's not an altcoin. That's grandpa crypto right there. I'm kind of happy I did that.
Alright, yeah, yeah.
600 fucking ducats. Yeah, I'm not complaining about that.
Man,
I need more money.
I need more money too.
I just got a job that's gonna keep. I'm gonna start blowing it up.
On fucking crypto?
I just hope I get it before the market goes back up.
Let's go.
Dude, imagine my first check. It goes to full blown bear. Like it goes down to 14. I'm just like-
you just buy it.
I'll take it.
I'll take it.
Worry about the rent next time.
Yeah. I think I might put a. I might,
That drink?
yeah.
What is it?
So check it.
So
If we break the all-time high, the 1618 is at damn near 150,000.
Jesus.
Man, the last death cross we got was so brief.
Oh, actually, excuse me, that's basing it off the price right now.
So fucking
Brief
brief.
actually would be 160,000. It puts the 2 at 271,000.
Wow. Super cycle?
Super Psycho.
200K.
Can you bitches
Oh,
say
no.
Super
What
Psycho?
does my $200 look like at that level?
Holy fuck.
And what if I put 1,000
Might be better
at
now.
14? What
Look, look, to the 1618, 7x. 7x to the 1618. To the 2,
So 200 times 7. That's $1,400. $200 times the $1,400.
12x to the 2.
So
You're doing
that's
12x to the
that's,
2. So for every $100 that you would have put, you're gonna get back one. It would be worth technically $1,230.
yeah. So I'll get
For
back
every $100.
$2,400 for my $200. Yeah.
yeah.
And that's once again Grandpa Bitcoin.
That's pretty
Imagine
nice.
Bitcoin dropped 94% from its all-time high.
Fuck it, I'm down. I'll buy it. Dude, I'll put a rack in it.
Imagine
The
Beatles. The Beatles. Damn, everybody. All right, well, moon phases is really all you need. That's what I try to tell. That's what I'm just trying to say.
Shit, say moon phase is the way to go.
Can you
You
look
know-
at the Bollinger Band?
Also, you know, when you play Baccarat, there's technical analysis in Baccarat. You can see like how many times it hit red, how many times it hit blue, how many times it tied. And you can see like the lifespan of the last 10 Baccarat games and just be like, all right, blue. It's got to be blue. It can't be red 20 times in a row, although it absolutely can. You know?
You gotta trust me.
Yeah.
I lost everything in the Baccarat game.
Yeah, you know, so like
Lost the kids, lost the house, my wife.
Not in that order.
Put it all in.
Yeah, so basically, yeah, you know, so like moon phase is all you really need. How many times can it go red in a row? So far, we have
Infinite.
we have a lot of fucking red in a row. Look at that. That's a lot of red in a row.
Is that
We got
Dave?
one green. Oh my, this is on the week.
Weeklies. So let's do some
I
shameless
completely
Damn, we
forgot.
should do like a segment.
Shameless shilling.
All right. And these are the coins that we own.
This
We
shameless
got you
Joe
jumped in so
shilling.
we can fucking dump these bags on you.
We're straight looking for it.
We're gonna shill
Oh, we're gonna shill
to all of our viewers.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
To the millions of
Who wants to go
viewers.
first? Who wants to show the
Actually,
first
no.
coin?
All right. I'm gonna show VChain real quick.
Okay.
All right. So we own VChain. All of us, damn near all of us own VChain. VChain just recently got like a big promotional with fucking
The UFC.
with the UFC. So now you see VChain all in the octagon and shit. So it's really really fucking cool because we've been in on VChain for a while now.
That's
So.
actually a cool shilling.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I took VChain. You know,
You're welcome,
let me
UFC.
get that one off the table from you guys. If we did a little TA on VChain, and we measure the all-time high to the current bottom using Fibonacci. If we come back and we break the all-time high, we are at a 1618 at $1.41
Let's rotate this.
from where it's at right now. So it's at 2 cents. If we come back up and we break 28 cents, which would break the all-time high, it puts us at a 1618 Fibonacci at $1.41. From right now, that would be
I use Bollinger Bands, and I
so
mentioned
just to the all-time high, 11x. 11x back to the all-time high.
It's 40 times 11.
62x up to fucking $1.41. My technical target has always been $1.50 for VChain. So it's seeing it being around about there, kind of makes me happy. Like, oh, I was in the ballpark there.
Almost
So,
only counts for horseshoes and hand grenades.
yeah. But 62x.
That's a lot of X's.
That's a lot of X's, and I have a lot of X's. You know what I'm saying? And so do you. So. And we're gonna have 62 more.
X's.
to add to that list. You know what I mean? So yeah, my shameless shill of the week is V-Chain. Go copy some of that V-Chain. You know what I'm
It's
saying?
cheap right now. What is it at right now?
2 cents.
It's at 2 cents.
Fucking 2 cents, man. I got it at way higher.
I got in on it at 8 cents. I wrote it up to 28 cents. Fucking thinking I was a goddamn genius, not taking profits off of the table like a fucking mamook. And now here I am back down at 2 cents, still holding the same goddamn bag of VJs.
I bought it at 8. I bought it at 21 or some shit.
Yeah. So
Held
there
that
we
bag
go.
all the way down. I bought
There
$40
we go.
more like a couple weeks ago when it was still at 2
And
cents.
to answer your thing, I use more than just RSI. I use Bollinger Bands. I don't know anybody on YouTube anymore that really uses it. There's a handful of people, but not too many.
The BBs?
I use the BBs.
Use the BBs?
The MACD, I did mention Lark uses it. I just don't like the indicators, not because fucking Coins Kid. Now I don't know about Eckies over here or Omen, but
Because
that's
what does that guy do?
he said because Coins Kid says so.
What? Coins Kid does not use Bollinger Bands.
No, RSI.
Oh.
He's talking about his white Justic RSI.
Oh.
We looked at the MACD, but you left, fucker.
Yeah, you don't want to come on here because you're scared.
Matter of fact, is it still there?
Fucker ass.
Actually,
Yeah,
you
that's
don't,
right here.
you don't get to ask questions if you're not going to come on the live. Hey, that's how we should do it
Yeah.
now. You got to come on the live to ask your questions.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Put foods on the spot.
Yeah.
Kevin's here. You got a question for us?
Kevin,
No
what?
question.
No good.
How much
No
V-Chain do you hold, Kevin?
No V-chains at the
No
moment.
V-Chains?
Oh,
No
bro,
V-Chains?
hey, I got my
What?
door.
You don't have any crypto,
I
huh?
mentioned
You just
it.
come.
Yeah.
You just come to smoke.
No, I got Bitcoin, I got Ethereum, Chainlink, I got
Yeah, you want to
Hey,
share
everything
hey,
that
hey,
got
hey,
it.
well, why don't you hold V-Chain?
You problem with V-Chain?
You got a problem with
You got a fucking problem with V-Chain, bro?
I haven't bought anything yet. No more years.
What's your excuse?
So fucking, you ain't got 2 cents? You got 2 pennies in your fucking pocket?
You got 2
You
cents?
can find enough
Hey,
for some
block
V-Chains
price
in your
holding on
cup.
to everything.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, I
You don't got a dollar?
Celsius, so
You don't got a
I got Celsius as fuck.
But here we are making fun of me because of high risk liquidity.
I know.
Who would have thought? The one that's like the safest.
Look at the mamook that I am. Who's in high stake liquidity. I'm in Celsius, a respectable platform. And they kept my shit. These motherfuckers kept my shit.
You're like, yo, for sure, X is getting fucking scammed, bro.
To be honest, I thought it was going to reverse a whole lot faster. What was I wrong?
Oh, that's hilarious.
Hey, if you
Alright,
hold
so-
any crypto, you can't be talking shit, all right?
Yeah. My shameless show is V-Chain. What's yours this week? What's your shameless show of the week? What you want to show? I'll do some.
I don't
I'll
know
do
if
some
I
price
have,
prediction
man.
for
I
you.
fucking like pulled out of all my shit.
Yeah.
I would say Soul only because
Soul. All right, Soul it is.
I
We're gonna
would
look
say
up
Soul, but only because
Soul will steal your soul. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, I would just say Soul. I forgot what they were gonna do that got me kind of nervous about. Who's Susanna Oria?
Don't
How's it
know.
got algorithm?
I don't know.
So have you met Susanna? Last name Oria. Oria.
Weird.
No.
Sounds
Why
like
are you
a
asking
setup.
questions?
Sounds like a joke. Sounds like a joke. So we say it out loud like, gotcha.
It's like Oria these nuts. Like,
It's in Spanish.
oh, yeah, it's gonna be some fucking
Yeah.
Stupid
some
shit.
fucking Theo
Don't
trope.
even. Let's
Some
ban that
Theo
fool. Let's ban that fool.
Oh, you could block, remove from live. You're gonna report his comment when he puts the joke. When he puts the punchline, we'll report his comment.
You see how you want to be cochino?
Did Atlantis go right there?
Yeah.
So
What's
fucking,
going on there?
so fucking mumble joke.
Oh man. All right, so let me get this set up.
Solana is your shameless shit?
I mean,
Yeah.
that's
Shameless
only
shield
'cause
is
I got
Solana.
a handful of
So
it.
let's look at what.
Although I pulled all my stakes Solana, so I don't fucking stake now because it's bear shit. Like now, bear and staking, I don't like it. Not a fan of it.
I can see why.
Man, I'm diamond handing.
Diamond handers.
Wait, so are y'all are yielding right now?
Yes.
You're farming. You're still
Yeah,
farming.
we're still farming.
You know what I'm saying? I threw more.
All
in.
3
You know what I
bucks.
mean?
All 3
More in
bucks.
it. Like I'm fucked, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? I'm a monster, homie.
I'm just you're throwing shit at the wall so it's money. I miss liquidity pools.
Throw my fucking kids' college fund at that shit. You know what I mean?
Oh, my kids.
Look, you know, if those high risk liquidity
man.
pools start to smack
Oh
up,
my god.
you're making
Why?
so much
Why?
fucking
Why are you
money.
calling me, bro?
Yeah, yeah.
We're live right now.
Tell the wifey it's not the time.
Yeah, why?
I thought you know.
Hey, woman.
Alright.
I see you live right now. Answer.
So looking
Yeah,
at Soul,
yeah.
looking at Soul right now, sitting
Alright,
at $34. The one is at $261. That's the all-time high. So if we go back and we go back up to the all-time high, that's a 6x at $667 or 67%. If we break the all-time high, we're in a technical target to the 1618 at $1,060. That's a 29x from where we currently are.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
So if you're looking for, and this is not financial advice, this is probably the worst time
Yeah,
to
dude.
fucking. If we're wrong, if we're absolutely wrong,
You should
then
go
like
zero.
we're gonna ruin you. You know what I'm saying?
You should go
Don't
zero.
fucking listen to me.
Like
Why
the
would you
risk,
ever listen to me?
carnalito.
But if I'm fucking right,
Oh my god.
but if I
It
am,
must be something
But
important.
if my aunt had balls,
yeah.
I'm saying it. Okay, it's 3 o'clock. Sure.
All right, what's your shameless show?
Oh.
Like, make sure you marry me on my daughter.
yeah, it's
Fucking-
my shameless show is
Hello? Hey, what happened?
what is my shameless show? My shameless show is gonna be METF, MMF, high risk liquidity pool. Not just like the MMF or the MMO like coin or platform. It's the high risk liquidity pools inside of those platforms.
I feel the spirit.
That's my shameless show. Please,
Reaching into my wallet.
please put money into there so I can pull it out. Please.
All right. Shameless show is going to be the MMF. Or which one was it? MMF or METF? Which one you
Or
want?
MMO, I don't care.
Any one of those?
Yeah.
I like the METF.
Sure.
So we'll go with that.
Bunch of texting.
How about
Shameless shill. All right, actually, I'll show you some bullish shit in regards to this METF. Some kind
Mentiras.
of,
Okay, so you want two
yeah,
things.
mentiras. They might be mentiras. Pero es la verdad. All right. So his shameless shill's METF.
Oh no! What does it look like right now?
Oh, look at this.
How is it
look at
doing
this,
in the
look at
fucking
this,
market?
Look at this.
METF. METF.
It's
Even
still
this?
dollars?
Yeah.
I'm actually impressed.
Since the bottom out, it's up 287%.
Oh fuck! You
Wow.
made
It
a
ran up as high as 400.
what was that though? That it just stopped there?
Yeah, that's where Bitcoin bottomed out.
Oh
So since the Bitcoin bottom,
So it developed a historic low now.
yeah. So that's the base. So this might be wave one, the beginning of wave one, and then 5 waves up because it never had an Elliott wave. There's no Elliott wave in this whole chart. So after a pretty long downtrend, it bottoms out, and you have a spike up to signify wave one. So that might be wave one. We've yet to see. So that's kind of bullish. It's kind of bullish. That's actually that. From all the rest of the charts that I've seen, this this has been outperforming everything since the fucking bottom.
That's right.
All right, so we're sitting at
Fantastic, Kim.
$4.51. If we go back to the all-time high at $370, that is an 83x
Damn.
METF.
to get to the all-time high. Break the all-time high puts us at a 1618. Fibonacci at $12,883,
Hell yeah.
which would make that.
What?
That's what it says, bro. I don't like the rules. I'm just reading the goddamn chart.
I'm not feeling that.
2052 or
So
what?
this is like when people say, "Oh, I 100x'd a coin."
I believe
It's
you.
like in something like this that it would be possible. because this is a 284X. Which means for every $100, it would be worth $284,430. For every $100 you would have thrown at it.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus
I threw a couple hundreds at it.
But you would have had to buy it now. If you bought it now, that's
Okay,
what
well,
it'd be
even
worth.
from the all-time.
Yeah, from
Well,
all time high?
they were-
yeah, but from where
Even
you
then,
probably
I
bought
feel
it,
like
you
that-
probably bought it like at 100 or something like that, because we rode that up into like the peak. So you guys got in like at 150, 100.
Too bad I don't have fucking $100 started right now.
So from right now, you're still looking at
Man,
a 92X, bro. You're
good,
getting all your
man.
money back, and then you got a 92X on the table.
That's not bad.
Hey, if you're watching, I'm accepting, what is it? What we're doing? What was that?
ETF.
I'm accepting ETF as payment for tattoos.
Oh
my God.
Oh.
That's right.
That's gnarly.
Now let me show you something that's kind of cool that just happened.
Not financial advice. Don't think. I mean, actually, you know what? It's not financial advice, but you should buy it.
Tattoo advice.
You should absolutely buy it.
Tattoo advice.
So
That ink.
the scoop with the METFs is they stopped minting them. So I think there's only 650,000 METFs, and they're hard capped.
Oh.
No more.
No more?
No more. The ones that are on the market are being bought back by MMF to be redistributed in their staking pools.
Wow.
To have constant buy pressure on the METF to push the price back up. So it's hard capped, no more inflationary. That's it. That's all. That's whatever we have is what we have, and then there's a mechanism to buy back everything that's.
There was a-
on-
they asked-
Hey, what's up with my goals though?
Yeah.
What's up, bitches? What's up? Hey, don't be more pissed off about that than me. You want to see what this looks like? I got like 60 fucking useless ass. Actually, not useless. Oh, you want to see? Here's something.
Hey, but they,
So-
they're not fun. They're attached to your wallet. You can look at them.
So what they're doing is they're doing a generation 2 where they're utilizing those
Old ones?
generation 1s as like tokens to get the new.
Okay.
The
So
new
do you
one.
burn them to get the new ones, or do they?
You like turn them in
Okay.
and they'll burn them for you. So
They fucking better, dude. That's fucked up. At least they're trying. I'll give them that.
What the fuck?
They're a Ponzi that tries.
They don't have METF
so-
on here? They don't have METF
Oh, that's
on
the new
here.
version.
yeah, that's a new one.
Oh, those
They're
are
coming
cool.
out with.
I like those ones.
Yeah. So their thing is like
What I'm gonna eat.
I'm hungry too.
they
I'm
they
gonna-
released
fucking
too many.
broke.
They basically did a medium where they talked about like what happened,
Yeah.
and they released too many too quick, and it just like people like me that had like 50, 60 of them
They're just
were
like-
minting too many gold coins
And
too
it was
quick,
just like-
and they weren't holding on. Nobody was holding on to them. Everybody just kept dumping them and dumping them.
Sell,
and dumping
sell
them,
me
dumping
money.
them.
Yeah, makes sense.
So they were like, we weren't expecting that to happen, and it just fucking crashed it.
Oh, you were expecting people to try and make money?
And they're like, yeah, that, and like we did this as a potential
Like a test
bear
bed.
market,
Oh,
like
yeah, yeah.
you know, the market's rolling and
all
we're coming
these-
out with our project.
All these fucking projects, dude, did all this shit in bear markets. So like it's kind of
Well, you know what? It's kind of like if they survive,
it's gonna be epic.
yeah. Then that's a real test, right? Like, well, everybody can fucking thrive in the bull, but can you survive the bear? You know, well, if your fucking project came out in the bear and you fucking
rode that
gutted
shit
it
up,
through, you know what I mean? Like,
it's pretty good.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna lie.
That gives like a lot of faith in like, okay, well, this project's here to stay, obviously. So yeah, hopefully, you know, I'm hopeful about this because I got a bunch of these stupid fucking NFTs.
Sure did.
Like I got like 60 of them, dog.
You sure did, didn't you?
I got one, and it was because of you.
Technically, it's still his, huh?
Yeah, dude, it's like, I got a bunch of useless goals.
Hold on, they might be worth something with it.
I don't have any. Oh, I guess I do have. No, I
Couldn't tell.
I couldn't even
You
collect
paid 'em.
goals. Like when the staking ended, did it just give me my goals?
Primate.
Yeah, called primates. I got some of these.
Sounds like
Yeah, how do I-
board eight.
How do I look at this fucking
Forty.
METF on
Oh, go to
for market cap?
Go to no,
You-
they don't
you
have.
can't.
Go to try
Dex
Gecko.
Screener.
Oh, Dex Screener. Yeah, for sure Dex Screener.
Dex Screener?
Sometimes CoinGecko has them the more alti coins, but
DEK?
DX screen.
Dex Screener. A huevo que sí, güey. ¿Y por
Are
qué
you
no
got a
hablas
project you're interested in knowing where it's gonna go? You want to shell a shameless shell?
Chain link.
Chain link.
Chain?
that's actually not a bad chain.
Wow. Oh, H-bar also.
H bar,
Honorable
polka
mention.
dot. those are all
What's up with Chainlink?
I don't own any of them anymore, but they were
good
good coins.
projects.
They were good coins.
About 70 euros.
70 chain link?
Yeah.
Damn, baller.
Yeah, let me get some of that.
My-
Hey, I'm also accepting Chainlink for private kickboxing lessons.
That's right.
Don't do Tron. Tron was cool today. He decided to go fucking.
Oh fuck, I have so much fun.
Dude, get rid of your fucking
Oh,
Tron.
fuck.
Bro, they have a dollar. They created a dollar like a mental, dude. Like,
Oh, I forgot
The
to get
Tron
rid of them.
dollar?
I gotta get rid of those
Stupid
Tron.
Tron.
The
dollar.
trawler?
I'm surprised it hasn't collapsed yet.
Oh, it will.
It better not. I need to sell that
What
shit.
time we gotta be in? 8:30?
We gotta go.
Oh, we gotta go.
I gotta go.
You see that Macho Man on cocaine video?
Oh yeah. I watch it every night before I go to sleep. I make sure I watch Handy Savage.
Oh, I gotta collect my dome coins. Forgot about that.
Your dome coins?
Dome coins.
Fucking derm coins? What's up? Oh, Red Dog, is he still
Alright.
watching?
Oh, he's watching?
I don't know.
Oh.
So chain link, it's at $6.31. If it retraces to the all-time high, you're looking at a 785% gain, up to $52. You break the all-time high, you're at 1618 to $208. That is a 33x. from
Jesus
Not
Christ.
bad.
So we got METFs, Chainlink, Solano, and VeChain as our shameless shills of the week.
Buy them, not financial advice.
Hey, open up a new tab real quick. Go to Everdome.
Remember to check Bitcoin's horoscope tomorrow. It's a Capricorn. You'll know exactly what to do. Let your intuition guide you. You don't need technical analysis. You don't need fundamental analysis. You don't need none of that shit. All you need is your.
You know the stars.
All you need to do. Seriously, all you
I
need
was
to
chain
do
link looking.
is you go on YouTube,
Like my food.
type in binaural beats for meditation, and then let the binaural beat play, and then let the universe tell you what Bitcoin is gonna do, and then make all your plays based off of that.
Oh, no, this is almost-
Not financial advice.
Oh,
And then you need to let us know how you felt before you made the trade after meditating, and then like let us know your progress. Like if you made a bunch of money, tag us and then say, hey, I meditated using binaural beats, and then I made my trade. Everyone said Bitcoin was gonna fucking go up, or that it was gonna go down, but I felt like the spirit telling me it was gonna go up, and then I put in $3,000, and I made a bunch of money. Thank you, Men Circle. And then tag us in it if that works for
This is how
you.
I get my
But don't tag us in it if you lost a bunch of money. We don't want to know you lost a bunch of money.
We already know you lost a bunch of money.
Yeah,
because
yeah. If
I
you-
lost a bunch of money.
Yeah. Only tag us in it if you made money.
Yeah.
If you didn't make money, do not tag us. Don't mention us. None
We
of
don't have
that.
nothing to do with your bad decision.
Yeah, we didn't. Yeah. Serious.
With the good shit.
With the good shit. Serious.
Trying to hear that shit.
Yo, high key,
Right.
if you tag us and you lost money, then we're gonna spar. You're gonna spar 3 minutes with me. You're gonna have to spar with me
That's
for 3 minutes.
with Omen.
And then
Right?
For tagging us.
And then you're gonna go 2 minutes with everybody else in the men's circle.
yeah.
All right.
serious, don't tag us in your trades that you lost.
Yeah, and don't tag us in your call outs either.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want to go 3 minutes with me, tag me and the men's circle. I will absolutely go 3 minutes with you in a sparring session. I don't care if you're a man, if you're a woman, if you're a midget. Can you say midget?
No. Whatever.
Sorry.
Small
I mean, if you want to fight about it, 3 minutes.
Small giant.
I'll go 3 minutes for free with anybody, but if you want to go 3 minutes after that, I charge $100 for every 3 minute round. After the first free 3 minutes, then it's $100 per 3 minute round with me. I will accept METF, MMO, MMF, VeChain. I'll accept almost any cryptocurrency. I won't accept Dogecoin. Fuck you, Dogecoin.
Dogecoin.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Appreciate y'all.
We did?
Yeah.
Appreciate y'all. Again, do not tag us if you lost money, or we will fight.
We will hunt you down.
I don't know what to do from here.
Alright, go to there.
Streamlabs?
Yeah, and then end streams.